Hey there, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can handle your subscriptions and payments like a pro with the help of Pabbly Subscription Billing and Pabbly Email Marketing Tool, and how you can seamlessly add the subscribers and the users inside your course that you have created in Spay or Graphy application. And we are going to do this by integrating these three powerful tools in an automation workflow. And the best part is you can set up this whole automation without any coding just by a few clicks. And after that, whenever you are going to get a payment for any of your course via Pabbly subscription billing, the person who have made the payment will be added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing tool and will be added as a user inside a course in Graphy application. And guys, if you want to learn this automation, stay tuned till the end of this video. Let's start. To set up the workflow, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free. And you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So guys, just sign up right now from the given link. And after that, you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, just click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a payment on Pabbly subscription billing application is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing tool and enroll the same person as a user in one of your course in Graphy. Okay, so when you click on this trigger window, it will ask you to choose a trigger application. So here you have to choose Pabbly subscription billing. Here you will find it, just select it and select the trigger event here as payment success. So here you will find successful payment option, and it will provide you this webhook URL. So on this webhook URL, you can receive the data of any payment from Pabbly subscription billing, and the data will be captured here in the response section of the trigger. So to get the data, first of all, you need to add this webhook URL inside the settings of Pabbly subscription billing tool, and this is the instructions for adding this URL inside PSB. So first of all, you just have to copy the webhook URL, and as you copy it, it will start waiting for the response of this connection that you are creating. So let me just open my PSB software. So this is my Pabbly subscription billing application, and here are the products I have. So I have a Connect plan, a PHP course, and a t-shirt. So I'm selecting this PHP course product, and here is the checkout page of this course. So here, guys, you will find on the left hand side panel settings option. Click on settings, and under settings page you will find this webhook option. Click on webhook, and here, guys, you have to add a webhook URL by clicking on this add webhook button. Okay, and here it will ask you to provide a name to this connection. So I'm providing the name, let's say testing. Here you can select products on which you want to set up this workflow. So I'm selecting PHP course product. You can select plans. I'm selecting all plans. Here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow like this. Okay, then scroll down, and here you have to select the event on which you want to send the data from Pabbly subscription billing to Pabbly Connect trigger. So here you can see I have this payment section. Under payment, check this successful payment box. Okay, and then scroll down and click on save, and you will be connected with PSB. Okay, so we are done setting up the connection. Now let me go back to the products page and let me open the checkout page of PHP course. And here you can see, guys, in our workflow, as we have added the webhook URL, here it started showing this kind of response. So test webhook URL is this response means the webhook URL is added inside PSB. Now click on this recapture webhook response button. Okay, then click on yes, and it will start waiting for the response again. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I am going to manually create a test payment using the checkout page of our product, and the data of that test payment will be captured here in the response section, and with the help of that test data we can set up the automation further. So let me just go back to my page here, the product page, and here I am going to open the checkout. So this is the checkout page of our PHP course. Here it is asking for the basic information of a test customer. So I'm going to give the name of the person who is purchasing this as test user. Here let me just give the email address as this. Here let me select the billing country. Okay, and here guys you can see it's asking to provide the credit card information. So here I am going to use this test card option to create a test payment. To set up any workflow, you can just use this test card number. Just so if you are creating a test successful payment, just click on the success option and the card details will be pasted. If you are creating a payment failure, you can do that also by clicking on this payment failure option. Okay, now you can click on complete order, and as the order is going to be completed, the data of the test order will be captured in our workflow. So here you can see it started showing, thank you for your response, the transaction is successful. Let's check our workflow if we have the data here. You can see guys, we have received the data, and in this data you will get the details of the date on which we got the payment, the details of the Pabbly subscription billing account, the currency details. You can see USD, US dollars, and when you scroll down you will find the details of our customer as well. So these are the card details, and here you can see the email address we got. Okay, and here we will find related details as this. Here you can see guys, we got the first name, last name, email address, everything. Okay, now with the help of this data I want to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing tool. So for this to happen, use the section window, and here I am going to connect with Pabbly email marketing. So here you will find Pabbly email marketing tool. Here it is. Okay, and here select the action event as add subscribers. Okay, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking to provide the bearer token of Pabbly email marketing tool. So to get the bearer token you need to reach the account section of Pabbly email marketing, and under the developer section you will get this. So let me show you. This is my Pabbly email marketing tool guys. Here you will find the account section right here. From here you have to click on integrations, and under integrations page you will find this developer API option. Click on it, and here under developer API you can see this is the bearer token. You can regenerate it or just copy the already existing code bearer token, and here you have to paste it. Then you have to scroll down and click on save, and you will be connected with Pabbly email marketing tool. And here it is asking for the list name. Here you can select any email list that you have created. Right now I only have the default list, so it is auto selected, and here it started asking for the email address and the name of the person to whom you want to add. So guys, I am going to map the data from the trigger step. Here you can see we have received the name details and the email address. So I'm going to map these labels I have received here in these fields. So to map a label, just click here on this field, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down like this, and when you click on it you will find the data right here. So from here you can search for the email label, and here you will find the email label of the customer. So just map this data customer email ID label. Okay, similarly you can find the names of the customer. Here is the name, full name is this test user. Just map the full name. Okay, then click on save and send test request button to test your connection with Pabbly email marketing, and a new subscriber will got added here inside the default list. So in the default list right now I have 2 people. Let us just test our connection. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and this is the response we got. Started showing success. Okay, the list is updated. Total numbers are 3 now. Let's see here. I'm going to refresh this page. And here you can see started 3 people, and the last and the latest one is this one, test user. So it's working, our connection is working fine. Now the next step would be to add the same person as an enrolled user in our course in Graphy application. So search for Graphy here. Here it is. Then you have to select the action event as enroll learner to course. Okay. Then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here you can see it started asking for the API key of Graphy and the merchant ID. So to find these two things, you need to reach the integration section of Graphy application. So let me show you that. This is my Graphy's dashboard, and here when you scroll down, you will find this integrations option. Click on it. Here you will find this third party option. Click on it. Under third party integrations page, when you scroll down, you will find the Pabbly Connect option. And under Pabbly Connect, this is the API key. You just need to copy it and paste it here in the API key field. And here you have to scroll down. Let us see the instructions. For the merchant ID, you need to open the APIs tab. Okay, let me open the API tab right now. Here is APIs. And this is the merchant ID. Just copy this merchant ID and paste it here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Graphy. Right, so we are now connected, and here it started asking for the email address and the course URL. So I'm going to map the email address from the trigger window only, okay, because we are receiving the data of our customer from the trigger. This is customer label, just map it. For the course URL, just follow these instructions, go to your product page, and from there can find the course page URL. Let me just show you. Here you can see, guys, we have this courses section under the content option, and these are the courses, and this is advanced Java course, and this is PHP for beginners, and this is core PHP programming. Okay, so I'm going to use this one because our customer has purchased course for PHP only. So I'm going to open this course, then click on pages, and here you will find the course page URL under this pages section. So just copy this, paste it here. Okay, then you can test your connection with Graphy by clicking on save and send test request, and a new person will be added under the learners section. Okay, so let me just show you. I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So guys, here you can see it's in the response it is showing user not found. It is showing this because first of all we need to create a user. We have to use this action step actually first, which is create learner. So first the learner will be created, then we can enroll that learner. So I'm changing the action event, and then I'm going to click on connect, and I have already connected with Graphy. So I'm going to select the existing connection or the saved connection. So I'm going to click on save here. No need to fill the APIs again and again. Okay, and here you can see here it started asking for the email address. So I'm going to map the email address from the first option, first step. Here is the email address. For the name also, you can use the trigger window and map the email, which is this full name. Okay, mobile number and password, if you have these things you can put it here, otherwise you can leave these blank as well. This is not required. You can add this further as well. And here I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and a user will be created, a learner will be created like this. Okay, and now you can add this learner inside this course. So just click here on this plus icon, and here I'm going to connect with Graphy one more time to enroll this learner that I have just created inside a course. So I'm going to enroll learner to course, then click on connect, use your saved existing connection, click on save, and now you can put the email address one more time and the course URL. You can find it from the page section. This is the course page URL. Just copy it, paste it here, and then click on save and send test request button. And now you can see the response started showing status is success. Okay, now let's check here. I am going to open the learner section and I'm going to just refresh this page. And here you can see, guys, we got a new person added here named as test user, and this is enrolled under this core PHP programming course. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, guys, it is going to trigger automatically whenever you are going to receive a new payment via Pabbly Subscription Billing, and a subscriber will be added in your email list in PEM, and the learner will be created and will be enrolled in Graphy automatically, and you do not even have to lift a finger. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.